So hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Eric Chair Craft Professional. So hope you all are good. Actually, it's running. It's so much of busy schedule. So that's why I'm just taking a lot of time to be re-uploading a video. So now today I come to with a complete up to styling with along with the styling technique. After that, it will be how to cut to the layers. And after a blow dry, we can just going to show with a previous existing haircut we just given to the texture and refreshing techniques. So this is a concept which we'll be explaining on this video, and before that we just concentrated a lot of things only with a blow dry and how to do the spiral blow dry and the in curls blow dry and out curls blow dry, and these things we're going to be learn in the beginning onwards. You can just see in last so many videos only after a haircut you can just see blow dry. So today's subject we directly going to be learn like pro styling techniques and how to do the styling and blow dry and holding strengthen to the hair and straight hair and wavy hair, how to do the blow dry and it will be layer can visible out very well. So today we're going to be discuss about this subject for particularly to mentioning the pro styling techniques. Almost I dried my client hair 100% and just releasing with the natural hair. You can just see the messy hair after layers. It will be there is flexible movement got reduced. Since a couple of months back she got a haircut and now she came for a refreshing with the same layers, help up to the same technique and hair length will without compromising. So I'm just going to be blow dry. Before blow dry I'm just shaking with natural layers. Now I'm taking to the box section separating and side section also be separating for sure, and back side you can just see in that lot of sections you can separate it. Now I just started with the back portion blow dry directly. And just see the step by step slowly we can just doing the blow dry with each and every single section. I'm doing with tight curls, spiral curls in this blow dry techniques and just releasing them out very clean and neatly. So another roller I just took and just adding again with the other section of blow dry. Why? Because the last section I want to keep styling strength should be something holder. The shape will be holding purpose. I just kept like that with the spiral. And next section I just took and just giving with the same technique of blow dry. Now I release the crown portion and just same technique I'm just going to do. And before that I released with the bottom portion, the previous one, and just same roller I just picked from there and just doing with another crown section up to the left side of blow dry. Now just kept for release, and the previous blow dry right side section I'm just going to be released. Have I picked with the crown portion. So how much cinching section you can just pick, it will become more shine and it will be clean and neat finishing blow dry. And ensure always root should blow dry. That can be makes bouncier look and voluminous look. Becomes strengthen on the roots. It will be so visible, thicker and denser hair and flexible layers too. Always do these techniques. You can just whenever you do the blow dry, that can be make something more strengthen on the hair. Kept with same spiral and just another previous blow dry roller I'm just going to be released. I'll come to the side portion. You can just see all the sides I'm just giving shiny blow and directly lifting up them to be add more volume purpose. Now that also going to be released. I'll come to another side. Got finished, and I'm just coming towards crown portion now. I'm standing in front of the client. And directly I'm giving with root shoot boosting blow dry. Now last section is left. Now it's almost finished. I'm just going to be release all the section. Now you can just see the final look after releasing the blow dry. All the hair is got spiral. Now I'm releasing cleanly out of it. Now you can just see the movement out spirals and the volume, it will become like awesome bounciness. Now I can just see the lot of movement on the hair. So this is the things I want to be explain about the before doing the styling. It will be the flexibleness. You can just see the from the front base, it will come so shiny and glossy finishing over all the hair. And even we didn't have texture, now we are going to be add texture, and you can just see the volume on the crown portion, all the sides. Let's see the finishing of flexibleness and shiny hair, and how it's visible, so flexible, and it will be volume on the hair that you can just see completely. So now I'm just going to be add texture. This small thin section I'm just picked and just refreshing in the rest of the layers. Whatever we done previous layers, just be refreshing. We are not cutting anything. I'll come to another side. And the crown portion is just separating this side to that side and just taking small section. And adding the texture. Now I come to the crown portion. So totally complete after the haircut. It will be going to be finished. Texture is got over, and that is we just adding some fringes and adding additional voluminous layers on the front portion. Now I can just see the final look. This is my final look, and that is the finishing of after texture after the layer cut. And basically the subject is how to butterfly haircut, how to do the butterfly layers, the styling techniques and all. So long butterfly layers, it will be how you can just style up, and these pro techniques we can just add in this haircut video. And if you have any doubts, please let me know comments below. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm keep on uploading and updating with each and every video with fresh and new concept up to the haircut for educational basis. So this is my final look. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. My client was completely happy. It's after styling, and it will be pro techniques and after post technique and pre techniques and all. So why? Because the moment it will be still remain whatever is we done with the previous styling, it will be come back with the same as it is. So nothing not left on that hair, and nothing we cut too much up to the length also. So whatever this layer was remained, that just we refreshed on it. This is a complete of the techniques which we use with a haircut video, which already we done with existing part up to the butterfly layers. We just add refreshments and just add a texture. So that can be complete of finishing up to the look, final look. And if you have any doubts, please let me know comments below. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.